Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about syncing your Google Calendar along with your Agile calendar. So we're going back to the calendar and we're going to click here, Add Google Calendar. It's going to take you to what is called a data sync area. So you want to first enable your Google Calendar by clicking on the Enable button, and then it will ask for authorization for Agile CRM to get access to your actual calendar. So go ahead and allow it. Now once it is actually allowed and ready to go, you want to then click on Settings. Now what this is actually doing is what you are configuring is saying, okay, on the Agile calendar, which Google calendar do I want to show? And right now the default is that it will pull in your primary Google calendar. And then in Google, if you've already added your Agile calendar, it will show that. And I have added my Agile calendar already, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So this is the Agile calendar on Google, and these are some secondary calendars that you can also add to Agile. Let's say if I wanted to add all of them to Agile, I would click that button and hit Save. I want to put one of them back. You select it and it goes back and hit Save. But I'm not going to add any of those secondary calendars, but I do want to just save this. So now that that is synced, let's actually go back to the calendar and I'll show you how you then pull in those events from the Google Calendar. I'm just going to change the view and I'm going to select Google. And let's change the view again. And now you're seeing my Google events as well as any Agile events that I may have. I'm going to turn off Google. It looks like I just turned off Google, and these are my Agile events, and I'm turning on Google to show both of them. So let me show you how you then would need to add your Agile calendar to Google. While in the calendar area, click on Subscribe to iCal, and you'll get this pop-up. So what you want to do is copy this iCal URL. I'm going to copy it. Now mine is already added, but I'm just walking you through the steps. So then you would go to your Google Calendar and follow these steps, and I'll just walk you down the steps again. I'm going to go to Calendar. And what you're going to do is add, now this is my Agile calendar, but I'm going to still show you the steps. You go to Other Calendars and Add by URL. And you would paste in the actual URL and click Add to Calendar. I have done that, and once you do it, you will see it here as one of your other calendars, and then you can edit it. You can change the settings. You can just choose to display only this calendar, etc. Change the color. You want to change it to that just to show you, and that is done. So I'm going back to Agile, and that is how you would add Agile to Google. And then the earlier part of this video, I showed you how you would then add Google to Agile by basically doing what is called a data sync. So I hope this was helpful.